Good morning, I'm Chris Beecham, and these are your morning market headlines for Monday the 1st of October, with the FTSE up around 50 points at 57.95. Now, the first day of the final quarter of the year has got off to a fairly strong start for the markets. Despite that weak China data we saw this morning, investors seem to be prepared to believe that the central bank support we saw in the latter half of the third quarter is going to continue actively throughout the fourth quarter. And going back to that Chinese data, the manufacturing PMI for September came in at 49.8, which was below August expectations of 50.1, so it remains in contraction territory and still struggling, although it's slightly ahead of the 49.2 figure we saw in August. So small growth, but still disappointing. However, the reaction has been muted as Chinese markets are closed all week, and Hong Kong is also closed on Monday and Tuesday. Over in London, merger news predominates. We have Glencore, Xstrata, as well as BAE and EADS. We go with Glencore and Xstrata. It seems that Xstrata has recommended the offer made by Glencore to its shareholders, but only if shareholders agree to a new pay retention plan issued during the last few days. However, shareholders can vote against the pay retention plans, but still avoid derailing the actual deal, which it doesn't show some progress. Now, we know Glencore has been keen on acquiring Xstrata for a long time now, so we might finally be seeing the end of this long saga. Over to BAE and EADS, France and Germany have signalled that they might give up some of their governmental veto rights, but only in return for large equity stakes. Now, that's also something we feared might take some time to resolve, but it seems that Paris and Berlin are willing to be accommodatory, especially when viewed with regards to London's position on the matter. And this morning, BAE and EADS are both up around 0.7%, Xstrata's up 1.5%, and Glencore is down around 0.9%. On the economic front, by the time you see this, we've had UK manufacturing PMI data, which goes with the Eurozone manufacturing PMI that's been running around this morning. We also have US ISM manufacturing, and Ben Bernanke, the head of the Federal Reserve, will also make a speech this afternoon. And we expect the S&P 500 to start up around 4 points higher at 1438.